So it is Monday, October 26, 2020, and we're at the lake. Pretty nice, huh? This is our little slice of heaven right here. And it is a beautiful day to be up here. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's in the 30s right now, but at least the sun's out. And last time I was here, my boat was in the water right here, so things have certainly changed. Because this morning there was snow on the ground. Very quick change of season up here in the North Woods. We had a great day, and we're still having a great day. But I needed an intro for the video that I forgot to make this morning. So I'm making an intro right now, and we'll do a back and forth thing. We went and climbed the fire tower today, which has been on my bucket list for a while. And before that, we put our speedboat into storage up here in Mountain, Wisconsin also. So it's now in storage, which is great to have that tucked away for the winter. And now we're just enjoying our time with family. And even though I can't go boating today, which is always one of my favorite things to do here, I mean, the view is just spectacular. Yep. So let me show you our trip up to the fire tower. It was a lot of fun. So we just got done climbing said fire tower right there.
Right there.
Oh, that was intense. It was very windy and cold up there. This is my future father-in-law, Tom. He came up there with me. How long did you say it's been since you've been up there, Tom?
20 some years.
So he lives 10 minutes from here and he forgot to revisit. All we can conclude is it was cold and windy up there. But the drone did its job. I'm sure we'll have some great content for the video, but we are just warming up our hands at this point because, man. All right, back to the house. We've been away from the ladies for too long, so bye.